guys, welcome back to the SSBeauty YouTube channel. I'm Resha.
And I'm Aishwarya, and today we have with us a box.
So me and Aishwarya are going to take it in turns to guess weird beauty products inside this box. Are you excited, Aishwarya?
I'm actually really excited, and I'm also kinda nervous because knowing Resham, she might have put like a lizard in there. I have no idea. So Resham, I think you should go first, and let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
So I'm gonna get the first product, and for this I want you to turn around because I don't want you to cheat at all.
I won't cheat, Aishwarya.
Okay, Resham, you better not cheat because I will know if you cheat.
I'll just win, don't worry.
Okay, Resham, you can guess.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Is it alive? Will it be moving around?
I don't know, imagine.
Where's the product?
Resham, you're so tiny. Did you get it yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I can tell it's a perfume and I can immediately tell what it is, why it's changed.
But you have to guess the...
I feel so I have to flip it around. I'm gonna take this hand out because it just looks shorter.
Okay, so what perfume is it?
It's Carolina Good Girl.
But yeah, obviously you have to guess the variant also.
I can't feel color, Aishwarya.
You can feel the aura of the perfume.
Okay, actually I can smell it. That's a good cheat point.
Yeah.
I
If
can't
you
smell
don't
it
guess
through
the
the
variant,
box, though.
you
I
lose
can't.
aura points.
I'm trying to get it through the box. Come through.
I can only smell paint.
Can you smell it?
Not really. Can you?
Okay, it's coming through now.
Yeah, now I can.
Okay. It's definitely not blush because it's not florally.
Yeah.
So it's between the red one, Very Good Girl, or Good Girl EDP.
Yeah, and...
It's EDP. Just because it smells so good.
So yeah, Resham is right. This is Carolina Herrera's Good Girl, and she gets a point. Moving on.
Yeah, I'm ready. Aishwarya, don't cheat, okay?
Okay. I'm not cheating. Teacher, is my timeout done?
Yeah. Okay, go straight and only put your hands. I'm very excited. Go full force. Yeah, look for it. You can't look at it, Aishwarya. Oh, cheating! Don't go from the come out part. What is it? It's shaving cream? No, it's your product that you use every day.
Is it hair mousse?
No, it's a product that you use all the time.
What is it, man?
I don't know, the sensory issues.
Is it Clinique's face wash? Because it feels like Clinique's face wash. The blue one, you know which one I'm talking about?
The foamy one?
Yeah. Is it that?
Maybe. What else could it be?
Is
what
it
if
like
I'm pranking you and it's meant to be that, but it's something else?
Is it like a new K-beauty product that I'm not aware of?
So that's what I wanted you to think, but it is whipped cream.
What?
No, don't do that.
Sorry, that was just intrusive thoughts taken over. You know, just someone.
Did it feel weird?
Yeah, it does feel weird. Like, yeah.
Yeah, it's not meant to be on your skin, I think. Moisturizer?
Yeah.
This is moisturizer. You should hydrate yourself.
Okay, moving on. So I have the third product with me. This is the product, and Resham, again, no cheating. I'm gonna keep it here.
You're making sounds with your product. Give me some hints.
Did you give me any hints?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't know it worked that way.
Is it ready?
Yeah, it's ready. You can turn it on. I'm really excited for her to guess what this is. Because there's no way she's
But
gonna
this
guess.
is easy. It's obviously a beauty blender.
Yes. Is it?
It's like wet. Yeah, it's a beauty blender.
Okay, so that's a final guess, right?
Yeah, it's my final guess.
Okay, you can check it out right now.
It's spongy.
Oh my god, she ate it! Okay, give me some.
Thanks for this treat, Aishwarya. That was so nice of you.
Do you wanna blend your makeup with this?
No.
Since it's already damp.
That was a good idea, Aishwarya. I'm very
I
proud
know,
of you.
right? Yay!
Okay.
Okay,
I'm gonna eat all of this. Bye!
moving on. But why do I always get a timeout and she can just stand there and do whatever she wants? I feel like I'm always like,
I
getting
feel
a
like I
timeout.
made your products really easy, if I'm honest. Okay, come.
Sure. Okay.
Come turn
Is it
around.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, should
Both
I move
hands,
out
right?
of your way?
What is it? Okay, I can
What does it
feel
feel like?
velvet. I can feel velvet.
What if it's an animal, like it's a pet?
No, It's not a pet. It's in my hand. I think it's a lipstick.
But what lipstick is it?
If
I had to guess Carolina Herrera, good girl EDP, you best guess what shade of lipstick this is.
I don't think I can guess the brand also because I've seen this brand.
You know this product.
I know it's red.
nice.
It's a red colored bullet lipstick.
Yeah.
But I don't know the brand or the shade. I mean, I've seen it
know
in our vanity.
Yeah, you lose. I sure I'm gonna win.
But I genuinely don't know the shade or the brand. Wait, let me just guess. Let me just guess.
Feel the aura.
Is it Givenchy?
Yeah.
It's Givenchy?
Yeah. Good
Really?
job. Yeah.
Dude, I just guessed
I
it.
won't make you guess the shade. It's fine. I'm not like you.
Bro, I was gonna guess
Oh
Girl.
my god, I really thought you didn't get a point for that, but it's fine. I'm happy
It's
for
a
you.
Givenchy lipstick. So I have the next product with me and I'm gonna keep it. Okay, Risham, you can turn around and get the product.
Are you proud of yourself
Yes.
for picking this product?
Yes. I'm very proud.
I can't picture it anymore, you guys.
Can you feel it?
I know Aishwarya is trying to trick me
Can you feel
into
the product?
thinking that she did something naughty for this video.
Can you feel the
But
product?
she did not. Aishwarya, did you bring battery?
Maybe I did.
Alright, it's mascara.
Yeah.
It's
Fine.
Toy by Mascara.
Yeah. Okay, so Resham is right. It is my Toy Boy Mascara by Diego Della Palma. And this is how it looks. It looks a little sus, not gonna lie, but that's the reason I kept it in the video.
It's
Okay,
fun
so
one.
Resham gets 1 point, but still I think I'm in the lead because
No,
you
I
have
think
to-
we're tied now, 2-2.
Oh yeah, but I have one more chance, so
Yeah, you
I
do
might
have one
win,
more
I
chance.
might not.
Fine.
Okay, moving on. Are you done?
Okay, so this is the next thing. Yeah, Aishwarya, I'm done, okay?
Okay.
Be a little careful.
Why?
With them.
With who?
With them.
Bro, did you actually get a lizard?
No.
I hate lizards.
Just be a little sensitive is all I'm saying.
I'm really scared. You do it. You do it.
No, I did all your
And you got
products.
it in your hand?
I didn't bring it.
I'm really freaked out.
I'm really excited.
I can't find something. I can't find anything.
Oh wait, it's coming to you.
Ew, what the heck? What is that?
I'm joking.
What is that? What is that? How goosebumps? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
It's nothing. It's a beauty product.
Don't play me, Resham.
I'm playing you. We're playing a game.
Okay. Ew. Okay, I have the
I can't
heebie-jeebies.
imagine also. I have them for you.
Oh.
Okay, you
I
got
can't.
this.
Is it moving? Can you
No,
just
it's
tell me
not
if it's moving?
No, not right now.
Your answers are really vague.
No, not right now.
Ew.
Ouch, if only we could talk. Feel the packaging. You'll know from the packaging. You know how I knew the mascara from the packaging? Feel the packaging.
Oh yeah. Wait, have you stuck falsies? This is falsies ka packaging.
It's falsies.
On what?
It's falsies. It's
falsies?
Yes. It's falsies.
But what have you done?
They're
It's
just, maybe
falsies.
they're just options of lashes. Lash
Okay.
options.
My guess is falsies.
Yeah.
How did you come up with this?
I did a do it yourself to make a furry spider. It's kind of fun, Aishwarya.
Yeah.
Feel it.
Bro, but it legit feels very creepy. Guys, I wish you could touch it because this just bleh.
I'm so excited I stumped Aishwarya. Aishwarya got one wrong.
Bro, but the spider must be feeling bonita.
But that was the last product, Aishwarya. Did you have fun in this video?
I did. He's now my little buddy. Okay, so yeah, that is it for this video. I have a new buddy and I've named him Fuzzy. Because he's so fuzzy.
Good job, Aishwarya.
Thank you. And to be honest, I think I won this challenge. You guys let us know in
Wait,
the
1
comments.
second. How many points did we each get?
I
We're
got 2,
tied.
you got 2, but I
2-2.
think my aura was better. So I think I won this challenge. But you guys let us know in the comments down below who you think was the real winner.
And also let us know who you guys would play this game with and what beauty products you would put in the box.
If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!